Customer.
Madam, how far now?
Adeo. Let's come buy now.
No, I don't come buy anything. No, I can't collect my change.
Which change?
I buy something some time ago now. They owe me change now.
I don't remember say they owe you change. The only thing I remember is say you come buy something, tell me I keep the change.
Something where they ask person to keep for person, then they collect her.
That's what they do for you.
I better go give my change. Wow.
Take your change.
Madam, you get the granite?
I take it.
Collect, abeg. Give me one.
This man. Photo.
Keep the change.
No, come. I didn't keep any change. Keep which change? Come collect your change, Biko. Before in the next 6 months now, you're gonna ask me for change. Take your change. You go reach my picking child education, you're gonna ask me for change with interest. They come out from my shop.
Jesus.
Child! I hope you enjoy that Vomit video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.